Welcome to the pHTemp2000 Data Logger Overview. In this video guide, we'll go over the basic functions of pHTemp2000, some of the different connections available for the data logger, and which ones are right for you. The pHTemp2000 is a pH and temperature data logger that can be used in a wide variety of applications, including surface and groundwater quality monitoring, industrial influent and effluent, environmental and wetlands monitoring, and much more. The front face of the pHTemp2000 is where you'll find the LED indicator lights, function keys, navigation keys to help fine-tune the data logging settings, as well as a backlit LCD screen to display real-time data. On the left side of the data logger, you'll find the female BNC connector made for a pH electrode with an output impedance less than 300 megaohms at the desired temperature, and above that is the connector for an RTD probe. The RTD probe must be a 100 ohm platinum RTD with a 2, 3, or 4 wire configuration, but for the most accurate results, we would recommend using an RTD with a 4 wire configuration. Terminal blocks are also available in 2, 3, or 4 wire configurations depending on your needs. On the right side of the data logger is a 3.5mm communication jack that can be used to connect the pHTemp2000 to a PC using the MadgeTech IFC200. The top of the pHTemp2000 is where you'll find the power jack and where the MadgeTech universal power adapter can be plugged in, giving the data logger continuous power instead of drawing power from the internal battery. Starting a data logging session with the pHTemp2000 requires you to connect the data logger to a PC with the MadgeTech 4 software installed using an IFC200. Once the IFC200 is plugged into a USB port on the PC, connect the interface cable into the communication jack on the side of the data logger and start the MadgeTech 4 software. The device will appear in the connected devices list, and once the data logger is highlighted, choose the starting option that best suits your needs. With the data logger running or with delay start selected, unplug the pHTemp200 from the PC and place it in the environment to begin collecting data. Once the data logging session is completed, plug the pHTemp2000 back into the PC using the IFC200 interface cable. When the pHTemp2000 is detected and highlighted in the MadgeTech software, click Stop on the menu bar and click Download to offload and save all of the recorded data to the PC. Now that we've gone over some of the basics on how to start and run the pHTemp2000, let's look at some of the different connections available for the data logger. The pH rugged electrode is a submersible, CPVC enclosed pH sensor that's suited for use in outdoor applications such as monitoring drums, tanks, rivers, ponds, and lakes thanks to its rugged design. For use with the pHTemp2000, a cable assembly and RTD reference is required, and 2 mounting assembly options are available. The first and simplest mounting assembly option would be the pH rugged ATC cable, which features a built-in RTD probe providing automatic temperature compensation. The 3 extra leads coming from the pH rugged ATC cable carry the signal from the built-in RTD probe to the pHTemp2000, meaning no extra probes are needed to get an accurate reading from your pH rugged electrode. The second mounting assembly option available to carry readings from the electrode to the data logger is the pH rugged cable, which is nearly identical to the ATC version, apart from not having an RTD probe built into the assembly. A separate RTD probe can be used in conjunction with the pH rugged electrode for automatic temperature compensation instead, and if the accuracy of ATC is not necessary, use the included resistor kit to simulate the temperature to minimize error. Some of the pH rugged cable options are available in more water-resistant fittings as well, so make sure to keep that in mind while searching for mounting assembly options. If you have any questions about the pHTemp2000 or want to learn more, please reach out to our technical support team. Thanks for watching.